Welcome back to our series, How to Use YouTube for Customer Support. In this video, we're diving into a crucial topic, how to create a seamless customer journey that doesn't end when your customers finish watching your support videos.
It's great to teach your customers how to accomplish a task, but the ultimate goal is ensuring that they actually complete that task. We'll explore how you can use YouTube's features to keep your customers moving through the process without hitting a dead end. This is especially important for support content that doesn't live on your own platform. With YouTube, there are a couple of ways to accomplish this.
Let's start with the video's descriptions. As we discussed in a previous video, only the first 1 or 2 sentences of your description are visible to users before they click the More link. This is valuable real estate, so always include your primary call to action right at the start. For example, if your video is titled How to Log into the User Portal, make sure to include a link to the user portal in the first sentence. Also, be sure to include a list of other important links in the description. Think about what your customers may need based on the video content. Include links to your Help Center related videos or other useful resources. Next, let's talk about end screens. Every video posted to YouTube should include around 20 seconds of dead screen time at the end. This is the perfect opportunity to direct your customers to the next step in their journey. You can either use a simple logo or create a template to fill in with the dynamic elements. YouTube allows you to add interactive elements like video links, subscribe buttons, playlists, and even external links during this space. If you're looking for examples of the template approach, check out some of the movie preview channels on YouTube. They do an excellent job of utilizing this space. For example, if you're posting the first video in an installation series, you could link directly to the next video in the series. Also, link to the whole playlist so customers can catch up or jump forward however they want. You can also link to an external URL, maybe a user portal or written installation instructions, whatever will help your customer most at that stage. The last option to drive the customer journey are the use of cards. Cards are interactive elements that appear within the video and not just at the end. They allow you to guide viewers to other helpful content at any point during the video. They are highly clickable since they occur in the actual viewing window, so they're an effective way to provide important resources at just the right moment in your video. For example, if you mention the user portal during the video, you can add a card that links directly to it. You can use cards to link out to a video, a playlist, a channel, or a link. The strategy behind cards is very similar to what you would use for end screens. However, you would pop the links up when they are mentioned within the video. The important thing is to think about what would have the most significant impact for your customers and focus on that as the primary call to action. You don't want too many actions, or you can confuse the customer as to what they should do next. Note, there is some natural interference between end screens and cards, and YouTube will automatically limit their uses so they don't overlap.
When you combine video descriptions, end screens, and cards, you create a clear, structured path for your customers to follow. They can move from one helpful piece of content to the next, keeping their journey smooth and frustration-free. And the best part? You avoid sending them down a dead end. Be mindful of how you structure these elements. Overloading your viewers with too many options can be just as harmful as offering none at all. Think about the customer's needs and guide them with purposeful links and actions.
Here's a quick recap. For video description, place your primary call to action at the top and include useful links. For end screens, use the 20 seconds of dead screen time to link to other videos, playlists, or external URLs. And for cards, overlay interactive elements throughout your video, offering links that are most relevant to the content being discussed. By leveraging these tools together, you'll help your customers navigate their support journey effortlessly. That wraps up today's video. Be sure to apply these strategies in your next support video and watch how they improve your customer experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.